Okay, hello everyone. It's me Rati Salasman. I am from Christian University of Indonesia, and my subject about teaching English young learner, about lesson plan, and my topic about teaching vocabulary and grammar. Okay, and my lesson plan, my subject about English for how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Jadi lesson plan ini berbentuk sebuah percakapan yang isinya mengenai atau menanyakan tentang bagaimana karakter kita dan bagaimana kita mengucapkan terima kasih. Oke. Okay, the first basic competency. Okay, identify social function, text structure, and linguistic element unspoken and written in personal interaction text and incorporating saying goodbye, thank you, and apologize, and responding to them according to the context of their use. And compose very short and simple and written in personal interaction text and involve greeting, say goodbye, thank you, and apologizing and responding to them by paying attention to social function, structure, and linguistic elements that are correct in context. And identify social function such as text structure and linguistic element of spoken and writing transactional interaction, text info and action of giving and asking for information related to identify short and simple, according to context of use. Pay attention to linguistic element and vocabulary related to familiarization, pronoun, subjective, objective, and possessive. And the last one, compose very short and simple oral and writing transactional interaction text involving the object and the asking for information related to identify short, simple, taking content social function, text structure, and linguistic element, and correct and context. And this is for basic competencies of my lesson plan about teaching vocabulary and grammar. For standard competency, the first, appreciate and live the teaching of the religion he addressed to. The second, demonstrate honest behavior, discipline, responsibility, caring, or tolerance, mutual cooperation, polite, confidence in interaction effectively with the social and natural environment within the range of the association and extents. The third, understanding, knowledge or factual, conceptual, and procedural based on this curiosity about science, technology, art, culture, related possible phenomena and events. The fourth, trying, processing, and presenting in the correct form or using parsing, assembling, modifying, and creating an abstract film, writing, reading, counting, drawing, and composing in accordance with what is learned in school and other search in the same file point of view or theory. Okay, for indicator achievement, Achievement indicator refers using the expression of greeting people who are not original. Maksudnya menggunakan ekspresi saat melakukan perkenalan, bagaimana ekspresi kita di saat melakukan perkenalan pada seseorang. And the second is use expression to introduction yourself. Ya, bagaimana ekspresi kita di saat kita memperkenalkan diri kita kepada seseorang, kepada orang lain, begitu juga dengan orang lain. And the third, using the expression commanding for value. Okay, next to learning material. Okay, this is the learning material, such as pronunciation. Okay, dari percakapan ini kita bisa mendapatkan vocabulary ataupun tata bahasa. Oke, ini adalah contoh bagaimana kita menyapa seseorang di dalam kelas dan atau sekolah. Oke, dari percakapan ini kita dapat di saat kita memperkenalkan diri kita dapat menyesuaikan ekspresi kita kepada seseorang. Dan juga kita dapat mendapatkan vocabulary atau tata bahasa yang benar dari contoh percakapan berikut. Oke, next. Oke, next to learning objective. Oke, pada learning objective, we can say appropriate greeting in a conversation. Misalkan determine the appropriate greeting while in a conversation. And the third is appropriate greeting in writing. Okay, next, language structure. Okay. Language structure. This is an example for subject for dialog. Atau ini merupakan subjek dari percakapan, dari sebuah percakapan. Oke, dan ini grammar yang diperoleh dari percakapan tersebut dan vocabulary yang dapat kita ambil dari percakapan tersebut. Oke, ini teacher activities and student activities and duration. Okay, next to indicator. Okay, learn about identify self or identify. For this reason, the learning indicator the anonymous achieve after learning. Okay, next to learning objective. describing things and place. Oke, ini merupakan sebuah percakapan yang menggambarkan sesuatu tempat dan menggambarkan sebuah identitas dan tempat tinggal. Dan ini merupakan contoh dari greeting. Ya. Seseorang akan dapat mengisi nama ini dengan mengisi biodata tersebut. Okay, next to teaching techniques. Put the student in. Okay, teaching learning activities. Okay, teacher activities. The first is greeting student, checking the student attendance, and write your identities and ask your data and make dialogue with students. And student activities, respond or reading the teacher response greeting. And respond to the teacher and identity and have or respond to ask of teacher and creating dialogue and practicing the dialogue. Okay, I think that's all for my lesson plan about teaching vocabulary and grammar. If I have any problem, I think you can understand. Thank you for attention.